India now the world's railway powerhouse. How it became the number one locomotive manufacturer? Watch here. In a historic milestone for the Indian Railways, India has officially become the world's largest locomotive manufacturer, outpacing world powers such as the United States, Europe, and Japan in the manufacture of locomotives. Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav affirmed this giant milestone during a recent event organized by the Confederation of Indian Industry. India produced 1,600 locomotives in 2024 alone, and with it, it was the world's largest producer, even more so than America, Europe, and Japan combined. We have become the world's biggest locomotive manufacturer. Our annual production of 1,600 locomotives is a record, and we are bringing in newer technologies to make the world's most advanced locomotives, said Vaishnav. This landmark achievement is part of the Indian Railways' broader vision to position itself among the world's leading railway exporters operating in mission mode towards that goal. India ranked number 2 globally in rail cargo movement. Not just in production, India is also climbing rapidly in freight logistics. With a cargo handling capacity of 1,612 million metric tons, India now ranks second in the world, trailing only behind China. This places it ahead of major players like Russia and United States. The minister highlighted that India's dedicated freight corridors are playing a crucial role in this transformation by enabling a smooth freight movement, reducing delays from passenger train congestion, enhancing efficiency and delivery timeline for cargo services, big win for sustainability and economy. This growth in railway logistics brings multiple environmental and economic benefits, including 95% reduction in CO2 emissions compared to road transport, significant savings in oil imports, reduced pressure on road infrastructure, enhanced modal shift from road to rail promoting sustainability. Massive push in coach modernization. Another noteworthy achievement is the rapid modernization of passenger coaches. The Indian Railways has manufactured 41,000 LHB coaches in the last decade, which are known for their enhanced safety and speed. Looking ahead, the ministry aims to replace all old coaches with new generation coaches within 3 years. This upgrade promises safer, more comfortable rail travel for millions of passengers across India. What's fueling this transformation? India's rise as a railway superpower is no accident. It's the result of massive infrastructure investments in tracks, signaling, and stations, strong focus on Make in India initiatives, strategic partnership for technology transfer and indigenous innovation, commitment to export-ready manufacturing standards. Vision 2047 are develop India with world-class railways. With the goal of becoming a developed nation by 2047, Indian Railways is working relentlessly on station development under Amrit Bharat and PM Gati Shakti schemes, network expansion through new lines and doubling projects, introduction of modern trains like Vande Bharat and upgraded freight engines, boosting exports of railway technology and rolling stock to other countries. India produced 1,600 locomotives in a year, becoming world's largest producer. Now ranks 2 globally in rail cargo movement after China, aims to replace all old coaches within 3 years. Freight corridors are enhancing cargo speed and reducing emissions, a key step toward India's vision of 2047 to become a developed nation.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.